Homeopathy was founded by Dr. Hahnemann way back when, and it's a concept derived from using small amounts of a medicine to treat a problem, and they call it likes treating like. So if you have a problem, like you have let's say you have a bee sting, there's a couple of homeopathic medications you can have out there. That one of them is leadum. You can use leadum and use leadum to treat the problem of the bee sting, and you can actually treat the problem of the bee sting, and that itching and pain and stuff will go away, assuming first of all there's no anaphylaxis there, which is a bad problem. But if you're treating just a normal bee sting, you can treat that with a homeopathic to help reduce the irritation, reduce the itching, reduce the swelling of the bee sting. And that's just one simple example of it. Then there's a second side of the homeopathy, which is called proving the remedy, where you take that leadum too much and you actually create a problem, the same problem you're trying to get rid of. It gets kind of, hard to chase your tail there, but that's the art of homeopathy. And there's different types of homeopathy. There's traditional, strictly Hahnemann, and there's more liberal type homeopathy, and the strict traditional one deals with a lot of the person. What does the person's constitution look like? How do you match up a particular remedy with that person's constitution?